Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the V380 Pro and joining it to your home Wi-Fi. Many models require 4 GHz, so choose that band. Sign into the V380 Pro app on your phone, create an account, and add the camera now by scanning the QR code or entering the device serial number and default password. Do this immediately so the camera registers to your account. Once added, the device appears in your app list, and you can proceed to enable remote options without delay. Once the camera is in your app, enable cloud or P2P remote access in settings. This is the simplest and avoids router work. If you prefer direct access, make a DHCP reservation or static IP for the camera on your router, then configure UPnP or manual port forwarding to the camera's HTTP and media ports. Make sure your router firewall permits those ports. Test a local live view first. Once stable, proceed to test remote view over cellular to verify the changes took effect. You finish by testing remote access on cellular data. Open the app away from home and confirm live audio and video play smoothly. Make sure you change the default camera password, enable an app PIN and two-factor authentication if offered, because security matters. If you cannot connect, check the router's NAT type and port forwarding, review firewall or ISP restrictions, and as a fast workaround, switch to the vendor cloud or use a home VPN. That single step often resolves mysterious remote failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.